Hi, my name is Linda Lombardo. I'm with the Cutting Edge Stained Glass Studio. Today I'd like to talk to you about hinge points. A hinge point is a weak connection within a design. As you can see in this butterfly example, without the body of the insect in place, there is no structural stability to keep the two wings from bending and ultimately weakening the copper foil, which would eventually cause it to separate from the glass. This was this original design from a student of mine. This is how it looked, and then when she went to clean it, this broke off. And the reason that broke off is because, like a doorway, it hinged. As soon as it lifted up, even a slight bit, it pulled the foil away and it was broken. So I wanted to show you how to repair this with wire. I use 20 gauge wire. It's a nice thin, very pliable wire. I've taken a piece and I've stretched it so it's nice and straight. What you want to do, I have already flattened out the beading that she had here, because what I want to do is I want to now place this piece of wire right there on that seam and touch it with some solder. Okay? Now you want to wear a glove because this wire will get hot as you're working with it. So then I need to bit more going here before I bend it. And notice how it's beading right in. You'll never know that the wire is there. Then I want to come down and I want to bend it along that piece. And now I want to catch it right here. Get in like that. And for now, I'm just going to put a little bit here just to tack it in place while I'm working on it. Now, take the piece that was missing. I'm going to go ahead and go right across through here because I want to get that in between those two. And I'm going to solder that right in between these pieces. And believe it or not, that really does help. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up this way. Just again, tack it. It's easier to bend it if you haven't already soldered it in place. Notice how easy this wire bends. Okay, now I'm just going to nip that off. Catch it right on the end here. Now for some added strength, because I still feel that that's going to hinge, I'm going to now bring some of the wire in this way. To scrape off your patina, because as you can see, it really doesn't want to stick too well once it's been patinaed, which I should have done first. There, now it'll stick better. Right now I'm just basically tacking it in place as I go. Trying to keep it in the center of the glass. That's always not the easiest, but I'm trying. wire is, so I can just nip that off and attach it right at the seam. I want to get it nice and flat so it doesn't stick up. Okay, now it's all been applied, so now all I have to do is go around and spread my solder and bead it where I need to. When you bead the edge, again, because of the wire retaining its heat, you want to just go slowly, okay? Let that cool down, maybe go to the other end, and then another little tap. Try not to keep your soldering iron on there too long, because what will happen is that wire will get hot and your solder will just keep dripping off. It's a little tricky, takes a little practice, but it can be done. But you can also see, look how much more sturdy that is now. I mean, obviously I still don't want to pull on it, but that is not going to fall off anymore from just normal use. Okay, the piece is finished. All that's left to do is to patina it, and as you can see, this is much, much sturdier now with the wire going all the way around. If anyone has any questions, feel free to email me. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching.